Hello friends, I welcome you all in my kitchen at Healthy Kadai. In our today's video, we'll be giving a crispy twist to our usual Chana Chaat or the Chola Chaat. Crispy Chana Chaat takes no time to prepare and comes out to be really delicious. So let's see how to prepare it. Before moving to the video, please do subscribe to Healthy Kadai if you're not subscribed till now and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. This is 1 cup of boiled chana. Simply soak chana for at least 8 to 10 hours and then boil it with little salt in water. Once your chanas are ready, then to make these more crispy, we'll add gram flour or besan. Then we'll also add rice flour. Then we have added chopped ginger and garlic, and after that we'll add 1 tablespoon of oil, add a pinch of salt. Then we will mix all these ingredients nicely. Use your hands to mix it well because we basically want to coat the chana with both the flours and my coated chanas are ready. You can deep fry these chanas to make it crispy. However, I'll be using my air fryer to fry these chanas. I have already preheated my air fryer. Now we'll place all our coated chana in the air fryer basket. Here it goes. Just give a light shake. We'll air fry our chanas at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Depending upon the crispness of chana you need, you can further air fry it. After air frying, my chanas are ready. Did you hear that sound? These chanas are quite crispy. Now let's prepare our white chana chaat. For this, we'll add all our chopped vegetables. Here goes my chopped onions, chopped tomatoes, chopped cucumber. Cucumber I have not removed the peel. Simply wash the cucumber nicely and then add it. Add salt as per your taste. Then we'll add chaat masala, add fresh coriander and give it a nice toss. Look at this beautiful color combination. This is a very healthy snack recipe. You can munch on it any time of the day whenever you are feeling hungry in between meals. Lastly, add lemon juice in it to add to the flavor. Once again, we'll mix it. Here is my very healthy power-packed chana chaat ready. We have given a nice crispy twist to our traditional chana chaat. I'm sure you will like this crispy chana chaat recipe. Do try out this recipe and share your views with us by writing to us in the comment section below. To watch more such interesting recipes, check out the links which are flashing on the screen here. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.